Welcome back to the kitchen. We've moved on now to some oranges and we're going to show you the use of the citrus attachment. Now, of course, the citrus attachment, we can see the parts here. There's a jug that collects the juice, the strainer, the little press, and a dust cover to keep it nice and clean in the cupboard. When we are making a juice with the citrus attachment, instead of using the juicer, it's all about making it faster. So in the morning, I often use the citrus attachment, grab a couple of oranges, cut them in half, put them on the citrus attacher. Let me show you. Remove the headset, all right, simple. Grab the citrus attachment. It sits perfectly on top. If I was to turn it on, you can see when I put some pressure on, it does the citrus spinning for us. So how quick is it? 2 oranges, cut them in half. Instead of peeling the skin and running it through the juicer, over the top. I don't need the jugs, right? Because there's nothing there. 2 oranges. I'm going to use this orange juice in our next recipe. Now, when you juice oranges in the whole cold press juicer and you're squeezing and all the flesh and all the pith, you're getting more juice out and you're definitely getting more nutrition. But that's not what I'm wanting this for. I'm wanting this for a quick, easy to use orange juice, especially in the morning. And of course you can do lemons, you can do grapefruits, you can do limes, any citrus. We can use the citrus maker for that. So I've got a nice glass here. 2 oranges, 150 mils of juice. Ready to go. We'll come back in a minute and I'll show you how we're going to use it in a smoothie.
Kuvings.